This is one way that air can escape damaged or worn weather stripping around an exterior door. Now this was damaged by a dog that really wanted to get inside, and a slacker will walk by this all the time and never replace the weather strip, and it's so easy. What I'd suggest is to take a section of the weather stripping with you when you head down to the home center to buy the replacement for it. And this is a type that's used on a lot of the newer type doors, say the last 20 years or so. A compression weather stripping works really well. But there's other types out there, including a foam type that has an adhesive backing on it. Comes in a little roll, real easy to use, works fairly well. There's also a more rigid type of weather stripping that has little brads that you nail in around the door to hold it nice and tight against that exterior surface of the door. Now, to replace this is very, very easy because it fits into a little slot here in the door itself, and once you get it started here, it's fairly easy to pull it out of that groove once it lets go like that, and you're able just to pull it right on out. There's no adhesive or anything else that holds it, and then the new piece is just a little bit longer than we actually need for this door unit. All I have to do is put it in place here, and then I can just cut off any of the excess that we have here. And these aviation shears just seem to work perfect for this. There we go. Then it's as simple as slipping it right back into the slot like that to seal all that air into the house.